Hello, everyone. This is from Demolition Man. This is a classic. This is so absurdly over the top fight, but we're gonna watch it. I have a couple fights from this series that I think that should be included in this playlist. And without further ado, this is from Demolition Man with Sylvester Stallone and forgot the name of the other Wesley Snipes.
Gun, noun, portable firearm. This
There's no
device
guns in
was
the future.
widely utilized in the urban wars of the late 20th century, referred to as a pistol.
Look, I don't need a history lesson. Come on, Hal. Where the goddamn gun?
Come on, Hal.
You are fined 1 credit.
If you curse, you get a ticket.
The verbal morality statute.
Fuck you.
Fuck you.
Your repeated violation of the verbal morality.
Oh, I'd be so
This
done.
calls me to notify the San Angeles Police Department.
I'd be broke.
Please remember who you are for your reprimand.
Yeah, right.
Can't believe we're getting fines. And the police are called for too much cursing.
You are fined 1 credit for violation of the verbal morality statute.
Protect serve in place. 4 minutes, 15 seconds.
This is what happens if... Man, this is gonna happen one day. Where the cops are soft.
With a firm tone of voice, demand maniac lie down with hands behind back.
Look at him.
Simon Phoenix, lie down with your hands behind your back.
What's this? 6 of you. Such nice, tidy uniforms. Oh, I'm so scared.
This
What,
is
you guys don't have
classic.
sarcasm anymore?
No. Yeah, sarcasm's gone.
Maniac has responded with a scornful
Maniac
remark.
is
Approach
responding.
and repeat ultimatum in an even firmer tone of
Firmer.
voice. Add the words, or else.
Simon Phoenix, lie down on the ground, or else.
Oh.
Anti-graffiti activation program activated. Aborted. Human presence detected.
Wow. So he's just gonna activate the
Safety
thing.
override code accepted.
Lucky number 7.
Oh.
Okay.
Look at all the people in the background. They dip. Oh, man. Look at Rob Schneider.
We're police officers. We're not trained to handle this kind of violence.
What?
Hey, wait for me!
Oh, this is a classic. The cops are so soft. Run away. Oh. Oh my gosh. Such a classic movie. See, the cops and everyone in the future don't curse. They're so soft. They're nice.
Simon says, everybody, stand! And
Home of the...
Play ball!
And I'll stop it there. This is Demolition Man. I just wanted to show you that this little clip because it's just such an unfair fight. And it deserves to be shown that this could happen if we get just a little too soft. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.